Ever wondered what would happen if the Earth's magnetic field decided to do a complete flip? Picture our planet, spinning in space, encased in an invisible force field. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. This force field, known as Earth's magnetic field, has a vital role in our survival. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Our Earth's magnetic field isn't just a random formation. It originates from deep within our planet's molten iron core. As the core churns and flows, it generates electric currents, which in turn create our magnetic field. And this field, my friends, is our protective shield. It acts like a cosmic bouncer, deflecting harmful solar radiation and keeping our atmosphere intact. It's like a silent guardian, always on duty, protecting us from the sun's wrath. Now imagine this protective shield flipping its poles. A magnetic reversal. Instead of pointing towards the north, the compass needle points south. Intriguing, isn't it? Earth's magnetic field doesn't just stand still, it's in a constant state of flux. It's like a restless ocean, with waves of energy ebbing and flowing in a ceaseless dance. But every so often, usually over hundreds of thousands of years, something remarkable happens. The field flips. North becomes south, and south becomes north. The evidence of these magnetic field reversals is etched deep within our planet's geological records. Like an artist sculpting a masterpiece, the Earth has been carefully crafting a detailed history of these magnetic flip-flops, and just like a detective, we've been able to piece together this enigmatic puzzle. In layers of rock and sediment, in crystals of minerals, there are traces of these past magnetic orientations. As molten rock cools and solidifies, iron-rich minerals within it align themselves with the Earth's magnetic field. This alignment gets locked in place, creating a permanent record of the field's direction at that time. Through studying these geological records, scientists have discovered that the last major magnetic field reversal, known as the Brunhes-Matuyama reversal, occurred about 780,000 years ago. It was a slow process, taking several thousand years to complete, but the result was a complete flip in the Earth's magnetic orientation. But these magnetic flips are not evenly spaced events. They don't happen like clockwork. Instead, they seem to be random, with some periods in Earth's history experiencing rapid sequences of reversals, and other times going millions of years without a single flip. And here's the thing, we're currently overdue for a reversal. The magnetic field has been weakening over the past couple of centuries, hinting at a possible flip in the future. But don't worry, these things take their time. Indeed, our planet's history is marked by these magnetic flip-flops. But what would a reversal mean for us today? Well, that's a question we'll dive into in our next scene. Stay tuned. A flip in Earth's magnetic field might sound like a sci-fi plot, but the implications are far from fiction. Picture this, a world where your GPS leads you astray, where your satellite TV broadcasts static, and migratory birds suddenly veer off their usual paths. This could be a reality if Earth's magnetic field were to reverse. Our modern society heavily relies on technology, and much of that technology depends on the stability of our planet's magnetic field. Satellites, for instance, are designed to withstand the current magnetic environment. A reversal could expose them to higher levels of radiation, potentially shortening their lifespans or even causing them to malfunction. And it's not just about your favorite TV shows going off-air. Weather prediction, telecommunications, and navigation systems could all take a hit, causing a ripple effect on various aspects of our daily lives. And then there's the GPS, the global positioning system that's become a lifeline for many of us. Whether we're navigating city streets or hiking in the wilderness, we rely on GPS to guide us. But GPS also relies on the stability of Earth's magnetic field. A flip could cause GPS signals to go haywire, turning our dependable guide into a source of confusion. But it's not just our technology that would feel the impact. Many migratory animals, from birds to sea turtles to bees, use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate. A magnetic reversal could send them off course, disrupting migratory patterns that have been in place for thousands of years. Now, all this might sound a bit alarming, but it's important to remember that magnetic field reversals have happened before, and each time, life has continued to adapt and thrive. So, while a reversal could certainly complicate things for us, it's not likely to be a catastrophic event. The magnetic reversal could throw a wrench in our tech-dependent lives, but it's not a ticket to extinction. After all, nature has a way of surprising us with its resilience and adaptability. And who knows, We might just surprise ourselves with our ingenuity in facing this potential challenge. So, is a magnetic field reversal imminent? Well, the truth is, it's not as clear-cut as we might hope. Scientists have observed a gradual decline in the strength of the Earth's magnetic field over the last couple of centuries. This has led some to suggest that maybe, just maybe, we're on the cusp of a field flip. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While it's true that the magnetic field is weakening, it's doing so at a snail's pace. Remember, these magnetic reversals are not a sudden, overnight phenomenon. They unfold over thousands of years. So, even if our magnetic field is in the early stages of a flip, it's not something our generation, or even the next few generations, are likely to witness. So to answer the question, is a magnetic field reversal imminent? Well, in the grand scheme of geological time, perhaps, but in human terms, it's a long way off. While the magnetic field may be gearing up for a flip, it's not something we'll wake up to tomorrow. The Earth's magnetic field, a silent guardian and a shifting enigma. We've journeyed through its mysteries together, lifting the veil on this incredible force. We've explored the concept of Earth's magnetic field, an invisible shield that protects us from harmful solar radiation. We've delved back into our planet's history, uncovering the past instances of the field's reversal, a natural phenomenon that's been happening for millions of years. We've also pondered over the potential impact of a future flip. Although it may cause some disruptions, it's important to note that life on Earth has thrived through numerous reversals in the past. As for the current state of the field, it's constantly moving, ever-changing, just like our understanding of it. While the thought of a magnetic flip may be unsettling, remember, it's a slow process, and one that our planet has weathered time and time again.